Hi, welcome back to my channel Maison Network. Today I just bought this magnetic wardrobe cabinet, super strong magnet, catch hidden or something. Let's look into the details. Okay, and then the picture. So there's two variations. So the one I do is this one, uh, the flat one. So it's come with this double-sided tape and screw. Okay, there's two colors. So this is the price. It's only 1 ringgit 45 cents. And then this is the description. That's it. So let's unboxing. So it comes like this. Here's the sticker. Very strong sticker. Sticker like 3M sticker like that. And then the screw. And it's like this. Very strong. So I'm gonna do another video of how to putting in this, how to do this for your furniture. Okay, all right, so thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.